Infinity's exclusive flush trim base for compact routers is a must-have accessory in every serious woodshop. Woodworkers frequently add dimensional wood edges or other ornaments to our boards. This process leaves the wood edge proud of the surrounding surface, so they need to be made flush after being glued up. Using hand planes and scrapers to flush the edge can create divots in the surrounding surfaces. Infinity's new and exclusive flush trim base mounts to the most common compact routers and is purpose-built just for this job. We've designed ours with tabs in the outside corners. The tabs let you set the system on a table with zero rocking when you set the depth of cut on your bit. You don't need 3 hands to do the job. We recommend laying down a piece of masking tape and setting your depth to that elevation. This will give you an extra few thousandths of an inch for final refinement prior to applying a finish. Infinity's exclusive flush trim base for compact routers is a must-have accessory in every serious woodshop. Get yours today.